Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 8th of September 2024. I'll be going over week 36 results for the front testing of the S&P 500 based on the option chain analysis. And just to be clear, this black line here was due to a change in computers due to a technical error. And although these records are now not available on this version of the Excel sheet, they are still on YouTube, and I have just continued that record from here. So for the week ending on the 6th, the prediction was that the S&P 500 goes up. Absolutely not the case. It opened at 5,623.89 and closed at 5,408.43, which is a 215.46 point drop, or a 3.83% loss for us, bringing our cumulative P&L down to 7.96%. The S&P 500's weekly change, however, was minus 4.25%. And its cumulative P&L now went down to 7.76%, bringing our alpha back into the positive at 0.2%. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.